I'm Chloe.
And I'm Daniel.
And we built the Reva 26 in Botanic Ridge. Being first home buyers, and I like the idea of being able to pick everything yourself and be able to design the house exactly the way you want it to be. I think I knew pretty early on that boutique was the builder for us. When we first walked in, everyone that I went into, I loved them all.
They just had really good quality. They were styled really nice.
Yeah, styled
and the finishes were really good. Just the standard seemed to be higher than most.
Daniel was a plumber, so he wouldn't let me pick a house until he really looked under every single cupboard and at every pipe and tap to make sure it was finished just the way he'd be happy with.
Being first homeowners, price was ultimately the biggest thing for us, and the fixed site cost was a big bonus. You know what you're up for.
And I think because we knew with the pricing, it kind of came with all these inclusions that we didn't have to put a lot more money into it. I knew that we could create a home with boutique that we would love, that would be perfect for us.
You've got the living, dining and kitchen rolling out into the alfresco in the backyard.
We wanted it to be nice and open, so with all the windows it let a lot of light in, and when we have kids in the future, you know, we can watch them whilst we're in the kitchen.
I love the kitchen. I like cooking. It's got nice big benches, plenty of space.
Saw the mirror splashback and we knew that that's what we wanted to do because it would open up this back area.
Yeah.
And my favourite part's probably the theatre room. It's a nice open space with lots of natural light. It's kind of got a really nice calming feeling to it as well, so it's a nice place to go and sit in and relax when you've had a big day. When we first signed up with Boutique, we went on the Instagram and we saw that a lot of people had accounts, and we thought that might be a nice idea for us, so something we can look back in the future and show our kids. But it was also really good because we got to follow other people's journeys as well.
Yeah, it gave us ideas.
And as a visual merchandiser, I kind of knew that I wanted to play with the propping in the house and wanted it to be nice and bright and open. Very Scandi, but also eclectic, so I have like a good mix of greenery, and then there's coral, and then there's wood, but I guess it kind of all ties in together because it's kind of the same colour palette.
The build process is pretty smooth, and it ran for 4 months roughly, and we got updates every week. Came past most days just to check over, see how things were running. And
yeah, it was really exciting seeing something new had been done. Everything went up so quickly, like one day we went by and there was just a slab, and the next day the whole frame was pretty much up.
Yeah, the site manager was pretty good to work with us too. Any issues I had, I just spoke with him and he would deal with it.
Everything was resolved really quickly, any issues we had, which we didn't have many throughout the whole build, which was really good. Out
the front we've built the decking steps running down from the front door out to the footpath. That was probably one of my favourite parts, and then we've done just a little bit of landscaping in the driveway.
Yeah, we've done some gardening to the side of the steps, and now we're just going to wait to get some grass. And we're right next door to the botanical gardens as well, which is beautiful.
I'd be happy to build again, just still with Boutique. It was a really good build.
We're looking forward to Christmas. We're hoping to have family over for Christmas, which will be so nice. We've never been able to do that before, so you can get cooking.
Yep, and you'll be decorating.
I'll be decorating, can't wait.